In Revit, you can use the Run component tools such as straight, arch, spiral, or winder to create a stair in your model. Let's begin with how to create stair with component tool. This is probably the easiest way to add a stair to the model. Go to Architecture tab, Stair, and this will modify create stair tab. Now in the component panel, you have 6 different methods to create a stair. Click on the L-shaped winder and you can place this stair component into your model straight away. You can change the orientation by hitting by the space bar in your keyboard. In this example here, we place L-shaped winder stair close to the wall. Notice that using L-shaped winder tools, there's no landing for this stair we just created. Go to Edit Mode, select Thick to complete the adding. Now go to 3D View to see the staircase we just created. This is the back or the north elevation of the wall. We can hide the wall by selecting the wall and then hide in view by its category. Now we can see how the staircase connected from the ground floor to the first floor. We undo this, come back to level 0. Let me undo this staircase. Go back to the original level 0 plan. Now we use another tool to create a stair. In Architecture tab, go to Stair. This will modify create stair tab. In the components panel, select Run. Notice that when you click to run the start point, the start point is the center line of stair. As you move away from the start point, Revit will calculate the remaining riser automatically. In this exercise, we would like to have a landing between the first and second half of the flight. So we would like to have equal number of riser between the lower flight and upper flight. Once we complete this, we can select Edit Mode to complete the task. Now we can move the stair to attach to the wall. To do this, left click of your mouse and hold the button to make the selection, and then move the stair to the wall. As you can see, the dotted line indicate the new location of the stair. You can also use your keyboard left and right to move the stair. For example, here the key to the right and then the key to the left in your keyboard. Once you have happy with the position, then click your mouse somewhere to finish the selection. Now we can look at from 3D model again, from the back, which is also the north elevation. Before to view this, we can select finish the edit mode for stair, and then in the wall, click to select the wall, hide the view in element. Now this time you can see the stair we already create and placed, which connect level 0 to the level 1. Notice that there's a crash here with the wall, therefore we can select the wall and then move the wall to make way for the stair. Another way to see the stair inside the model is to create a section box in the 3D view. Select 3D view and duplicate the view. Rename the new 3D view 3D section box. In the property panel, in the extend category, select and tick the section box. A graphic box surrounding the model will appear. Everything outside the box will be invisible. Now pay attention to the control tools of the section box. Hover your mouse cursor until you can see the tools. Click and click to see the control. If we move the section box vertically, you will see all the object outside the line will be hidden. Now this gives us a better view of the location, the stair. This allowed you getting the visible access into some of the objects that would be otherwise hidden. You can then make any changes to the object if necessary. Notice that we need to make an opening at level 1 for the stair. To do this, go back to level 1. Double click on the floor area. Now you can see that it's a pink color along the floor area. In the draw panel, select rectangle tool. Click edit mode to complete. Now go to 3D section box view to find out. As you can see here, we need to remove the ceiling in this room to make way for stair. To do this, just simply click on the ceiling and right click to delete. Now go back to the floor plan. We need to tidy up. Now go back to the level 0. We might need to move the internal wall. Hit escape key twice to come up from the commands. We can continue to modify the wall here. Make this opening. Go to architecture, wall, the wall. We want to make an opening here. Go to the wall opening commands. Escape. Hit twice escape key. Come up from the commands. You can change the wall opening. Double click on the door opening. You can adjust just to the ceiling height. So this is opening. This is the wall opening. Now go back to level 0. The wall opening is already done. The opening shown on here. Now go to level 1. Now we do the same.